if the text on your device is too small or the contrast isn't right, you may find the screen difficult to read. Thankfully, these settings can be changed. Once you've unlocked your Android device, find the settings icon. It usually looks like a gear on a coloured background. If it's not on the first screen you see, you may need to swipe up to open your app drawer and scroll to find it. Once you've found it, tap to open. In the settings screen, scroll down until you find the accessibility option. It has an image of a stickman on a green or blue background, depending on your phone model. Let's start with changing the way the text on the screen looks. Find and tap the Vision Enhancements option. To edit the font, scroll down until you find an option called Font Size and Style. Tap this to open it. Here, you can make the text bold by tapping the switch next to where it says Bold Font. Next, let's look at changing the contrast of the screen. To go back to the previous screen, tap the back button. Scroll back up to the top of the screen. In the centre of the screen, you'll see the high contrast setting. This will make the background of your device much darker and make the text light so that it stands out more. Tap the high contrast setting and then the Apply option that appears underneath to turn the setting on. Hopefully, these settings will make your device much easier to read and use.